Mary, full of grace, in your arms we find our place. Guide us through the darkest night, lead us toward your holy light. Oh, Mother Mary, hear our plea. Hold us close, set our spirits free. In your love we find our way. Forever near, we'll always stay. Through the storm you calm our fears, wipe away our endless tears. With your heart so pure and true, we give our lives to follow you. When the world feels far and cold, in your hands we are consoled. Mother Mary, gentle guide, in your love we'll always hide. Oh, Mother Mary, hear our plea. Hold us close, set our spirits free. In your love we find our way. Forever near, we'll always stay. Mother Mary, hear our plea. Hold us close, set our spirits free. In your love we find our way. Forever near, we'll always stay.